What's up, y'all? Fly morning. Welcome back to a new video. If this is your first time here, welcome to Photography by Dash. I like to share my viewpoint, my experience as a photographer and a visual creator. All right? But today we got a package from the late, great, classic Grooming. All right, so I am excited. So a little bit of the backstory on this company. About 2 years ago, I made a review video on this company. It's a beard care line. The two gentlemen on YouTube giving out beard care tips and things of that nature. Then they released their own beard care line. So for me, I was already watching their videos, getting tips. It made sense to support and invest the products. I made a review video on those products, and from that video, I was able to build and sustain a relationship since then, which I am truly grateful for. All right, so they just sent me some new products, the new products that they just released. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, I am excited. So boom, thank you card. And I always love getting classic Grooming products and seeing this because I took this picture, and once again, man, it's just a humbling experience. And everyone that orders their products, they just get a little piece of me as well, man. So that means a lot, man. Thank you card. We also got the card with some info on how to keep and maintain a healthy beard. Let's get to the meat and potatoes, man. Oh, they also sent me some new oils. I have these already, but appreciate it. This is Hard Vibes and X Factor. These came out at the same time. Hard Vibes is cinnamon and citrus. I like this oil, has a bit of a kick to it. I usually wear this oil outdoors. And X Factor is coconut and vanilla. For me, this is more like the chill vibes when I'm in the house, out the shower. So I think these work great in conjunction with each other on a day-to-day basis. You can use one indoors, one outdoors. Well, at least that's how I use it, all right? But let's get to the new stuff, all right? So we got the new products called Legacy, same presentation, but it's just green, all right? Let's not waste no time. Let's start off with the oil first. Smell it, see what it's working with. So on the website, it's described as a sweet hints of vanilla. I don't want to get it wrong. Sweet hints of vanilla, something to that nature, a sweet scent. But let's see. Yeah, that's good. Definitely a sweet fragrance, sweet aroma. I can definitely smell that vanilla, that backbone of vanilla. This is good. Man, what else is in there? I can't put my finger on it. Sweet, definitely some vanilla in there. I don't know what else is in there, but this is good, yo. Like, let's go to the butter. I like classic Grooming. I like their products a lot. When I was first growing my beard, I used 2 other companies, and then I discovered classic Grooming, and I have not looked back since. I feel like they really know what they're doing, man. They always knock it out the park. They take their time. They always have a great execution. Man, that's good. Same usual classic Grooming consistency for their butter, a nice thick consistency that breaks down easy in the hand. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of I know the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, like the cream cheese icing that comes in the cinnamon rolls. Kind of reminds me of that a little bit, just a little bit more developed, just a little bit more, I take this a little bit more serious than that, but it kind of reminds me of that a little bit, if that makes sense. Yeah, I can't wait to use this, man. There you have it, simple unboxing. You guys go get you some. I'll leave the link in the video if I can, or in the description. Classic Grooming, a great company from 2 gentlemen that I learned a lot from about caring for my beard and growing a healthy beard over the course of time. So shout out to them 2, Beard Existence and Be The Barber. I appreciate you guys, man, for just sending me these stuff and the continued support, man. You guys go check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. Great company, man, great company. If you're looking to grow a beard, check them out, all right? So let me know your feedback in the comments. I don't want to take up too much of your time. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. I will see you guys at the next video.